Hey everyone, we're going to solve the equation square root of 3 times sine of x plus cosine of x equals 1. Alright, for this one, let's just look at this piece right here. These are linear. Cosine and sine are linear in terms. So what we can do is rewrite this as 2, and I'm going to divide each of these pieces by 2. So square root of 3 divided by 2, sine of x plus, divide this by 2, so that'd be 1/2 cosine of x. Now, when you do that, that means there exists an angle such that cosine of x, and you flip these around, equals square root of 3 divided by 2, and sine of x equals 1/2. And that angle would be pi divided by 6. And that means we could write this as 2 times cosine of pi divided by 6 times sine of x plus sine of pi divided by 6 times cosine of x. Now, that's going to equal, it has this form, sine and cosine with the plus. So that equals this. So basically that means we have this equals 2 sine of x plus pi divided by 6. All right. So that happens with these linear things if you haven't solved those. And that's just the formula. Basically you're just taking the square root of a squared plus b squared and you're dividing. But anyway, so now that we have that, we're going to set this equal to 1. So when you divide both sides by 2, you're going to get sine of x plus pi divided by 6 equals 1/2. All right, therefore, if you look at this, we want this to be x plus pi divided by 6 equals. Now, what this is going to be is pi divided by 6 plus k pi, because we have to get all solutions. And also we have to consider all the negatives and the positives. So basically, when you add this up, you're going to get, this is -1, you're going to get x equals k pi, I'll put this first, plus -1 to the power of n times pi divided by 6. Then you're going to write minus, because we have to subtract this, pi divided by 6. And another way to write this would be, to make it a little easier to look at, I'm going to erase some of this right in here. All right, so that's going to be equal to k pi plus, and this is just factoring out a pi divided by 6. So that's going to be -1 to the power of n minus 1 times pi divided by 6. And if you FOILed this back, you would get this back. But this looks better. All right, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.